Hello guys, I have a quick tip here for all the bachelors who are a bit lazy. I have an ironing table and an iron, but I never ever use it. But yet I have this very simple lazy trick to not have to iron again in your life. So you just take, for example, these handkerchiefs, or how do you call them in English, up. You're gonna fold them up like this. I'm gonna probably speed up the video. Okay, as you can see, I've now 3 piles of these things. So I'm gonna take like a thing where you cut vegetables on, put it on here, it's a flat surface, and I have something heavy like this, and I just put it on, and that way the handkerchiefs will be completely flattened, and in a few hours they can just be taken away. Okay, here we are back again a few hours later. Let's check the results. I take this off. As you can see, they're now nice and flat. Look how clean. Not even my mom can iron them like this. So they can go directly into the drawer. Who is gonna complain about this result with 0 effort? No one.